day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I am Beautiful Hustler, and I am back with a new tutorial. Now today I'll be using a body wave wig that is from my company, which you can purchase on www.IAmBeautifulHustler.com. And this was my Lotta Body wave. However, I did go ahead and wash it and bleach the knots off camera. So the wave is actually curlier than a body wave, a little curlier than a body wave, but for this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I apply it, but this time I will be doing a different method. Usually I like to put the glue from ear to ear and then put my wigs on, but today I'm going to be showing you how to apply it section by section, especially for beginners. And I'm also going to be showing you how I use a eyebrow razor to cut off the lace on one side and then showing you using the scissors on the other side. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. So the foundation that I used under my lace was the True Match foundation in the color C8, known as Cocoa. And usually I use the one that's C7, C8 Nut Brown, but I said, let me try something a little lighter than my skin. And it actually blended for me even better than what I normally use. So I did apply that liquid foundation underneath my lace. So as usual, I will be using the GhostBond to apply my lace today. And I'm just going to start off by going ahead and applying that glue in the middle section of my head only. And I usually do like 3 layers, but I did do 4 in my center today. But I'm only probably going to show you like 2. So the first and the last one before I apply the lace. So I went ahead and pulled that lace down in the center, and as you can see, I am blow drying it just to make it dry faster and give it also that meltdown effect. Now, since I glued the middle, I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissors and cut in the middle just so I can start to remove the lace. And like I said, half of the lace I will remove with the eyebrow razor, and the other half I will be using my scissors. When using a razor, you want to make sure that you be careful, that way you do not cut yourself, so do take your time. To make this method much easier, just make sure you have like some clips on hand. I did not bring them with me, but you know, just to make it easier, you don't have to keep holding the hair back yourself. Just clip that hair back. That way you can apply the glue like you need to. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry that in by rubbing it down, using my fingertips to really push that lace into my skin. So now that I use the eyebrow razor to demonstrate how I remove the lace on that side, on this side I am going to use the scissors, which is, you know, my normal thing. So you tell me what you guys think looks much better or what looks easier. So now that I have everything all laid down and it's just looking its natural best, I'm just going to go ahead and take a headscarf and tie my lace down for about 10 minutes. And then at first I was going to curl this as a roller set, but I was just like, hey, whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and press this thing straight and just give myself that natural, soft Indian look. Now, let me just look at that. Like, this is after I took off the scarf. Oh my God, I just lost for words. Like, I really admire what I do to my damn self. Like, this looks so good. Let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can really catch the slay. Like, this just makes me want to just do messy hair. I don't even want to style it. I just want to go out and just be in Gone with the Wind. Just, oh. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and do a side part, and I'm just going to flat iron this hair straight, use my hot comb a little bit on the roots. I'm going to give you guys a quick little snippet of what I'm doing, and then I will be back with the finishing looks. And poof, tell me what you guys think about this install, because I am just obsessed and I am in love. And just, oh my God, like, do y'all see this? It's really like what lace though. Like, a lot of people be like, what lace? But you can really see the lace, but it's really like, what lace? Anywho, but thank you guys for watching and staying tuned to my channel. So I will see you guys the next time.